Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to unbox this Milwaukee M12 percussion drill. And it came to the shop yesterday, so I want to see what's inside, and we will talk about the specification of the tool and also the application of this specific compact drill. So let's open and see what's inside. So here we have the body of the drill. Here we have two batteries of 2 ampere, and here we have the battery charger for the 12 volt batteries of Milwaukee. And as we can see here, we have the space for the 4 ampere batteries. This drill can use the 1.5, 2 and 4 ampere batteries of the 12 volt series. And here you have the storage for the 4 ampere. And in this case we have the 2 ampere batteries. And so now let's see the specification of the tool. Now we're going to put the battery on the tool and see the features. And the first thing that we're noticing is this LED in the front. This will help with the illumination during the working. And it's a simple feature, but also very useful in some cases. Another feature is this metal hook here. This is very handy for hanging the tool while working or during an installation. And you can change the position of this hook from this left side to the right side just by unscrewing the screw here. And another feature is here, these LEDs. This will tell you the amount of charge in the battery. In this case is a full charge battery. And this also will be a great thing to know while working, because you know the charge on the battery. Another thing that this drill has, it have 2 speeds, 1 and 2 here. You can change, and also it has a variable speed trigger, so depending on how hard you push the trigger, the speed will vary. As you can see, it's very precise, and this is a very good feature for working, because you can dial the correct amount of speed for the work that you're doing. And now we're going to take a closer look to the choke. As we can see, here we have 3 modes in this drill, and the first one is the hammer mode. This will give the percussion to while making the holes, so it's very good for making holes in concrete and bricks. The second mode is the screw mode, and this is very good if you're using the clutch here, because you can dial the exact amount of torque while putting the screws, and prevent damaging the work that you're doing. And you can change from 1 to 18 in this clutch. And the third option is the drilling mode. This is more for drilling holes in wood and steel. And you can change the modes with this dial here. And also we can see here the choke in this drill is a standard choke, and the capacity in this choke is from 1.5 millimeter till 10 millimeters. So it's a very basic and standard choke. So it's been a week since we unboxed this tool, and we had the chance to use it in our work. Now we are making a restoration in a room here near the shop, and we primarily used this for screwing, because our intention when we bought this tool was to use this more compact drill for screwing, and our bigger drill for making the holes. So in the process of assembly or construction, I think that this combination for us is the best. And I have to say, after a week of using it, that this drill is very good. I really like the duration of the battery, the ergonomics. It feels very good in the hand. The weight is also perfect, because it's less than a bigger drill. Obviously the battery doesn't last like the other one. The power is not like a bigger drill, but for our task that was drilling, we found out that this drill was perfect. So I have to say that in our case, this drill was worth the money. In our assembly routine, in our method of construction, we normally use a drill for making the holes and one for screwing. This drill was perfect. And so I hope you enjoy the video. In the future, if you're interested, I will tell you more things, because the more I use it, the more I can see how this drill fits my work, or the good and the bad things about this tool. And subscribe to the channel, leave a like if you liked the video. I hope you enjoy our channel, and support us if you like our content. And see you in the next video. Bye.